Yes, guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? Welcome to another video. So, in today's video, there is it's slightly different. Well, I'll say slightly different. It's not slightly different. Dun-dun-dun. It's not slightly different in the way I do my videos, but we're starting off in the shed, and there's something I need to tell you guys and update you guys. So obviously you've seen one of my reels and on me social media platforms that Bluebay is no longer with us on the channel. Bluebay has gone, she's sold. I thought it was about time to show you what I've got now. So what I've got is, I'll show you later on in the video, because quite frankly the key is not with us, and I shall tell you guys why it's not in a minute. Bloody phone decides to bloody stand up. I wouldn't have this bloody phone, bloody stand up on its own. There we go. Standing up on its own. Right, so I'll show you guys around the car later on. But as of right now, I'm just having a little play with this. Seeing if I can get this light on using these two wires. So what I need an old plug. I can't see an old plug anywhere. If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notifications bell, and you'll be notified every time I upload. Also, don't forget to share the videos, like the videos, and comment down below. I did just pick my nose. Well, I didn't pick my nose, I scratched my nose. Oh, there you go. There's going to be some people who say, oh, you scratched your nose. Okay then, I did scratch my nose. So we'll do that. Like that. We'll do that like so. So you can see what we've done. We used our work zone snip cutters from Aldi. So snip, fresh cut, twist, 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 twist. So I'll leave you guys there, and I shall see you in a bit. So, as you guys will know, Bluebay is sold, like I was saying, in the shed. It wasn't an easy decision. Don't get me wrong, it wasn't an easy decision to make. I was toying with it for a few weeks, and I ended up getting this new said vehicle. Now, yes, it could have been done at a better time, at the position that I'm in currently, with me at college full time with no job. But I am looking for a job, either part time or full time. I do level 2 motor vehicle, light motor vehicle, level 2 light motor vehicle in college full time, Monday, Tuesday, off Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So it hasn't come at a good time, but yeah, again, it is what it is. So I'll pop up. No, I won't pop up anywhere at the top of the screen. Go watch some videos of Blue Bay. Or come back. Or stay at this one. Or come back to this one after you've watched videos of Blue Bay. The videos don't intertwine with each other, they just go. Ebbs and flows. Ebbs and flows. So, yeah. So I'll pop a video on of the reels that I've been putting up. If you're new viewers, check the reels out, check everything out. My profile pictures will change on social media, I think. I don't know yet. You'll have to soon see. I want them all to be the same. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. I want them all to be the same profile picture, so then people know that I am who I am. Because some people will just think that, oh, I still want that smile of face at someone at college. If you know who you are, there you go. Anyway, so enough of me whittering on. I'll put a reel up that I put on at the end when I told Blue Bay, after I told Blue Bay. And yeah, keep watching. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me. I am a dreamer, and when I wake,
now you're all caught up. Well, what Blue Bay was. It was a Peugeot 107 2010 1 litre petrol in zone. So it was too uncomfortable for me. It ended up being too uncomfortable, too low to the ground when you had the maximum capacity, in which was 2 people in the front, 2 people in the back. It was just not practical when you had more people in the car. It was just scraping across the floor. It might as well just have been scraping across the floor. But it's a decent first car. Don't get me wrong on that. It's a decent first car for anybody out there. It is sold. It is off to somebody who I know, so yeah, I know he will look after it. It's not gone to one of these people who just think, oh, that's a terrible car, we'll scrap it. You know what I mean. So at least I haven't gone to one of them people who go, oh, I'll just scrap the car for money. No. But good luck in the good luck in this next chapter, I'll say. And I've got a bigger car that I wanted, so yep, let's see where life takes me with this new said vehicle. So we're just waiting for the keys now, so I will see you when the keys get to you, which will either be tonight when we'll get to home or tomorrow. But I'm aiming to edit it tonight and post it out tonight. So let's see how things goes. Okay, let's go. So yes, guys. So you're probably wondering what I'm doing. So that is what I am about to tell you. So I'm sat in the back of the car. I don't know if you know. Don't know if you know what car I'm sat in the back of. Now, as I said earlier on in the video, I shall the cars off the road until it's the rest of the documents are here. So that is that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you around this car. What car I've got, you'll find out. So right now we'll sign the boot. Can anybody tell just from the boot what car it is? Okay, so from spare wheel, can you tell what it is? Can anybody tell from them what it is? So, let me shut this. Let me shut that door. Let me turn it on me. And let me shut that door. So, by now, you should have had a guess of what car it is. Do you know what car on the exhaust? But right now, I'm going to show you. So, 3, 2, 1. Here it is. The Volkswagen Passat 2-litre TDI PD 140. Not a bad car. Obviously, it has got its dents. Scratches, whatever. It's got these on the roof. Nice. You go inside. Electric windows in front and rear. Nice little glove box here. Pull down here, and you've got all the book for your vehicle information. It is a 6-speed car, 6 forward gears, 1 reverse gear. It has got FM radio. It has got a steering lock on because it's not taxed. Oh yeah, need to give this back. And yeah, I've got a glove in here, which is my stuff here. Good old Sexwax air freshener. Seats are so comfortable, it is unbelievable. You come to the back. You've got storage there, pockets here. 3 people in the back, or if you've got 2 people, an armrest here, and then you've got cup holder in there, but it doesn't come out. If you have a parcel shelf, then you put this down, want to access anything. How do you do this now? Somebody did this at college. So right, okay, so you do that. Right. Got it. So I'll pull that down, and then this handle here, and then it goes like that. Then you can reach inside. And once you want to put it off, once you want to put it back, all you do, you put it back. There's a lever down here. There's a lever out the back. Which you then mess with. So there we go. Presto. So that's that. It has, but they don't work as they're not as powerful. That's a Bluetooth transmitter for the radio. It has got one cigarette lighter there, one cigarette lighter there, and then one cigarette lighter in the boot, which is a lot. So, yeah. I haven't given it a clean. But yeah. No wiper. Don't really need a rear wiper. Big boot space. If you hear, that's glass. It did have a new wind. Does have a new window. This panel, there's holes. Really dropped the bloody phone then. There's holes. Don't know if you can see. I'll put up there. There. Not holding anymore, so hence the tape. That's done. Got whacked, this light did. Just needs a new light unit. Then that's all good to go, but doesn't stop it from driving. Hole in the bumper. And yeah. Hopefully don't have to replace this panel here, because by the looks of it, it's this panel. And it goes all the way there. Yeah. I don't want to do that. Don't want to replace that, so. Fuel cap is on the off side of the car. We have all the wheels at that side right there. Come around this side, same again. Different colour handle to all the other handles. This car is one of a kind, I tell you. Got my sunglasses in there, got my steering wheel, steering lock. The horn doesn't work without the parking brake wasn't done. Well, that's a bit concerning. My parking brake wasn't on. Didn't roll away. But hey, oh, it's on now. So that is good. Wipers are the wheels. So what we'll do is we'll show you for the guys on this channel, for anybody on this channel who's interested, who's not interested in the car, not in the car, but is interested in what's underneath here. I'll try my back to show you. One flick up there, got a strut, you don't have to pull anything down. Had a new battery from Halfords. I didn't put that in. I brought it, didn't put that in. Somebody else did. Oil is very good. Screen wash you've got here. Got a cap unlike my old one. Coolant is here, which turns out to be a stiff cap, it feels like. It hasn't been run for ages, but that's in there like so. Put that lid back. So yeah, that's back. This is loose. I did get told that it is loose. If that goes there like that. Yeah. Not a major problem. That's at all. Got your fuse box here. I think it's unlock, and then, oh, there we go. The fuse is in there. Interesting part, putting it back on again. After you've just taken it off. That is the interesting part. And putting it back on cure won't come off. Lights. I wonder if you can modify the lights from to be them LED ones. I don't know. Terminals are fine. Engine is. These engines are bulletproof. For anybody who knows, these engines are so bulletproof. Oh yeah, and what I've just noticed here as well. But that's no problem. But that's no problem with me. That can always be sorted. Doesn't stop it from driving a craft in there as well, that I've just seen. But yeah, not pretty decent car. Apart from that, it is a decent car. Gets you from A to B. Gets you from A to B where you need to get to. More practical than the other one. By far more practical than the other one. Oh, there you go. Well, there you go. So, it does have a switch as well for the, if nobody knows. Still focus. That bottom one right there is for the fuel cap. So, yeah. Then obviously, engine stop start, but can't start it because ain't got a key. Do you want the sound? I haven't got the key, so can't do that yet. But that will be a video. That will be like a short. I'll put the sound of the car on a short. I'll think of something for the video. That video, so. What we need. Parking brake is on. Keeps on. And to get in, no, I was going. Oh, it's not going in. It's going into fourth. Going into first, sorry. Put the clutch down. Slam your knob down. And then in you go. And then you're away. Accelerator. Got some power there. Got more power than the other one. I'll tell you that right now. Got more power than the other one. Oh, guess what I found as well. Let's not show people that. Let's cut that out. Oh well. By the way, this did come. I found this the other day. So I just picked it up and that was that. So yeah. Anyway, so that was the car tour. Sorry you can't hear what the car sounds like, but it'll not to worry. So what I shall do is I shall end the video here because I haven't got nothing else to say. If you did like this video, please give it a subscribe. Hit the notifications bell and you'll be notified every time I upload. Hit the like button, share the videos, and comment down below. And I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.